Crypto trade or invest? That's the question. Cryptocurrency is everywhere. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, it's a wild world out there. But before you jump into the crypto craze, you gotta ask yourself, am I here to trade or invest? Both can bring in the big bucks, but they're as different as night and day. Let's break it down. Fast and Furious, the world of crypto trading. Welcome to a realm where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. Crypto trading is like the stock market on steroids. It's a high-octane environment where every second counts and decisions must be made swiftly. Think quick buys, quick sells, and riding the waves of volatile prices. The market can change in an instant, and traders must be ready to act. Traders live for those short-term gains, sometimes even within a single day. They thrive on the adrenaline rush that comes with each trade. They use charts, graphs, and fancy technical analysis to predict market movements. These tools help them make informed decisions, but nothing is ever guaranteed. It's risky, exciting, and not for the faint of heart. The highs can be incredibly high, but the lows can be devastating. Only those with a strong stomach and a keen eye for detail can truly succeed in this world. Every trade is a calculated risk, and the stakes are always high. The thrill of the game keeps traders coming back, day after day. With the rise of digital currencies, the landscape of trading has evolved dramatically. Cryptocurrencies offer new opportunities and challenges, making the market more dynamic than ever. Collaboration and strategy are key. Traders often work together, sharing insights and strategies to navigate the complex world of crypto trading. Success in this world is celebrated with high fives and cheers, but every victory is hard-earned. The world of crypto trading is not just about making money, it's about the thrill of the chase and the satisfaction of a well-executed trade. The long game, investing in the future of blockchain. Crypto investing is a whole different ballgame. Investors are in it for the long haul, believing in the revolutionary potential of blockchain technology. They buy and hold cryptocurrencies, sometimes for years, weathering the storms of price fluctuations. They see beyond the hype and focus on the long-term growth potential of the underlying technology. Trading versus investing. Spotting the differences. The biggest difference? Time. Traders are sprinters. Investors are marathon runners. Traders seek quick profits from short-term price swings. Investors aim for long-term growth, ignoring the daily noise. Risk appetite is another key difference. Trading is high risk, high reward, while investing is more about calculated risk and steady growth. All right, let's dive into the pros and cons of crypto trading on the fast track. Cryptocurrency trading has become a hot topic, attracting both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. But what exactly makes it so appealing, and what should you be wary of? First up, the potential for quick profits. If you ride the waves right, you could make a killing. The market's rapid movements can turn a small investment into a substantial gain in a very short period. Imagine buying a coin at a low price and watching its value skyrocket within hours or days. It's like catching lightning in a bottle. It's definitely an exciting and fast-paced environment. Adrenaline junkies, this one's for you. The thrill of making split-second decisions and seeing immediate results can be incredibly exhilarating. The crypto market never sleeps, and there's always action to be found, whether it's day or night. And don't forget about the flexibility. You can enter and exit positions whenever the market suits you. Unlike traditional stock markets, which have set trading hours, the crypto market is open 24/7. This means you can trade at your convenience, fitting it around your schedule, whether you're a night owl or an early bird. But of course, there are some cons to consider. The allure of quick profits comes with its own set of challenges and risks. High risk is a big one. Volatility can wipe out your gains just as fast as it creates them. The same rapid movements that can lead to big profits can also result in significant losses. Prices can plummet just as quickly as they rise, leaving you with less than you started with. Plus, it requires time and skill. Chart analysis, market knowledge. It's pretty much a full-time job. Successful trading isn't just about luck. It involves understanding market trends, analyzing charts, and staying updated with the latest news. It demands a significant investment of time and effort. And let's not overlook the stress factor. Constant monitoring and decision-making can really take a toll. The pressure to make the right move at the right time can be overwhelming, leading to stress and burnout. It's not uncommon for traders to experience sleepless nights and anxiety over market fluctuations. Additionally, staying informed is crucial. The crypto market is influenced by a myriad of factors, including regulatory news, technological advancements, and even social media trends. Keeping up with all this information can be daunting, but is essential for making informed decisions. Some traders turn to automated trading systems to help manage the workload. These systems can execute trades based on preset criteria, potentially reducing the stress and time commitment. However, they come with their own set of risks and require careful monitoring. Networking and continuous learning are also key components of successful trading. Engaging with other traders, attending seminars, and participating in online forums can provide valuable insights and strategies. The crypto community is vast and diverse, offering a wealth of knowledge and support. In conclusion, crypto trading on the fast track offers both thrilling opportunities and significant challenges. It's a world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. Whether you're drawn by the potential for quick profits or the excitement of the market, it's essential to approach it with caution, knowledge, and a clear strategy. Happy trading! Crypto investing pros and cons for the patient player. Let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency and explore what it means to be a patient player in this volatile market. Pros: long-term growth potential. By investing in cryptocurrencies, you can ride the wave of blockchain adoption and reap the rewards. The technology behind cryptocurrencies is still evolving, and as it becomes more widely accepted, the value of your investments could grow significantly. Less time-consuming. Unlike day trading, long-term investing doesn't require you to watch the charts every minute. You can check in occasionally, making it a more relaxed approach to investing. Less stressful. With a long-term perspective, you can weather the storms of market fluctuations. Instead of reacting to every dip and spike, you can stay calm and focused on your long-term goals. Cons. Requires patience. Big gains take time, so sit back and relax. The market can be slow to reward patient investors, and it may take years to see significant returns. Market volatility. Be prepared for ups and downs along the way. The crypto market is known for its extreme volatility, and prices can change rapidly. This can be challenging for those who are not used to such fluctuations. Risk of losing money. No investment is risk-free, and cryptocurrencies are no exception. It's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. Always be prepared for the possibility of losing some or all of your investment. In conclusion, being a patient player in the crypto market has its pros and cons. While the potential for long-term growth and a less stressful investment approach are appealing, the need for patience and the inherent risks of market volatility cannot be ignored. Make sure to stay informed and make decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. So, which one is right for you? The million-dollar question. There's no right or wrong answer. It all boils down to your personality, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Are you a thrill seeker who loves a good gamble? Trading might be your thing. Do you prefer a more hands-off approach with long-term vision? Investing could be the way to go. Remember, not financial advice, just my 2 cents. This is just a taste of the crypto world. Before you dive in headfirst, do your homework. Research different cryptocurrencies, understand the technology, and learn about risk management. There's a whole lot to discover, so take your time and find what suits you best. Dive into the crypto world your way. Cryptocurrency is changing the game. Whether you're a trader or an investor, it's a wild ride, full of opportunities and risks. So, buckle up, choose your path,